Welcome to another exciting travel adventure in Cancun, Mexico, where stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural experiences await you. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked paradise of Cancun, Mexico. Whether you're a beach lover, a history buff, or someone who enjoys a good mix of everything, Cancun has something for you. Let's explore the best spots to visit in this stunning destination, packed with vibrant culture, thrilling adventures, and hidden gems that will make your trip unforgettable. Cancun, located on the Yucatan Peninsula, is famous for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and a warm, tropical climate that draws visitors from all around the globe. With a population that mixes Mexican locals and international residents, the city's energy is infectious, blending modern amenities with rich traditions. Did you know? Cancun was once a small fishing village before it became a world-renowned tourist destination in the 1970s. Today, it's one of the most visited spots in Mexico, offering everything from luxurious resorts to ancient Mayan ruins. Historical and heritage tours. No trip to Cancun is complete without a visit to the iconic Chichen Itza, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Wander through the ruins of this ancient Mayan city and marvel at the grandeur of El Castillo, the temple of 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐬. For a more intimate experience, head to the Tulum ruins, perched on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea. This site offers stunning views and a glimpse into Mayan coastal life. Our first stop takes us to Isla Mujeres, a short ferry ride away. This island offers tranquil beaches and incredible snorkeling opportunities. Up next, we're heading to Cenote Ik Kil. Swim in this natural sinkhole surrounded by lush vegetation. It's like stepping into another world. Now, let's dive into Xcaret Park, a mix of nature, adventure, and culture. This eco-archaeological park offers everything from underground rivers to butterfly pavilions. Next, we'll experience El Rey Ruins, a hidden gem within Cancun's hotel zone. These ruins are less crowded and offer a peaceful escape. Let's venture into Coba Ruins, climb the ancient 𝐂𝐻𝐿𝐴 pyramid for breathtaking jungle views. Let's venture into Playa Delfines, one of the best beaches in Cancun, perfect for a relaxing day under the sun. Now, let's take a moment to enjoy Mercado 28. Dive into local culture at this bustling market. Filled with crafts, souvenirs, and authentic Mexican food. Next up, we're wandering through Museo Maya de Cancun. Discover Mayan history and artifacts at this modern museum. As we continue, we can't overlook Nichupte Lagoon. Explore this vast lagoon by boat to see its stunning mangroves and wildlife. Now, let's dive deeper into Punta Beach Park. Visit the southern tip of Isla Mujeres for breathtaking cliffs and a serene lighthouse. Venture beyond the usual tourist spots and discover the hidden cenotes like Cenote Ik Kil, where you can swim in crystal-clear waters surrounded by natural caves. Or, explore the lesser-known village of Puerto Morelos, a charming fishing town with a laid-back vibe and some of the best seafood in the region. Capture the vibrant sunsets at Playa Norte on Isla Mujeres or the panoramic views from the top of the Tulum ruins. For a unique shot, visit the colorful underwater museum, Museo, where sculptures have been submerged to create a surreal diving experience. Treat yourself and your special someone to a romantic dinner at Habichuela Sunset, a renowned restaurant offering delicious Yucatecan cuisine with a stunning lagoon view. For a truly magical experience, head to the Tulum ruins at dawn or sunset. The sight of the ancient city bathed in golden light is unforgettable. Unwind at one of Cancun's luxurious spas, like the Nichupte Resort and Spa, where you can indulge in traditional Mayan treatments. Alternatively, spend a day at a beach club in Playa del Carmen, soaking up the sun and enjoying the tranquil ocean views. Hop on a catamaran tour to Isla Mujeres or set sail on a luxury yacht for a day of snorkeling, swimming, and sunbathing in the pristine waters of the Caribbean. Highlights include snorkeling at the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef and a beachside barbecue on the island. Cancun is a fantastic destination for families, offering activities like swimming with dolphins at Delfines Cancun, exploring the interactive exhibits at Xcaret Park, or visiting the Cancun Interactive Aquarium, where kids can learn about marine life and even touch stingrays. Head to the Sian Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, for a chance to see manatees, dolphins, and hundreds of bird species. For an unforgettable experience, take a boat tour through the mangroves of Laguna Nichupte to see crocodiles, turtles, and other wildlife. Indulge in local delicacies like 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐿, a slow-roasted pork dish, or sopa de lima, a zesty lime soup. Don't miss the chance to try authentic tacos al pastor from a local taqueria or sample fresh ceviche at a beachside restaurant. For thrill seekers, Cancun offers plenty of adrenaline-pumping experiences, from zip-lining through the jungle at Selvatica Adventure Park to scuba diving in the Cenote Ik Kil, one of the most famous underwater cave systems in the world. Hiking enthusiasts will love exploring the jungle trails around Coba, where you can discover hidden ruins and encounter local wildlife. Cancun's nightlife is legendary. Dance the night away at 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐬, famous for its high-energy shows and performances. Or enjoy a more laid-back evening with live music at La Vaquita, where the vibrant atmosphere and catchy tunes make for a perfect end to your day. For a unique experience, visit 𝐂𝐴T𝐚𝐩𝐿, a restaurant and bar set inside a natural cave. Pack light, but don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a reusable water bottle. For hassle-free travel, consider downloading a translation app and local maps for offline use. When exploring, keep small change handy for tips and local transportation. Respect local customs and traditions, like greeting with a friendly "Hola," and being mindful of your volume in quiet areas. Cancun offers a blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural immersion that is hard to find anywhere else. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, diving into crystal-clear cenotes, or savoring the local cuisine, your time in Cancun will be a journey of discovery and delight. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, embark on your next adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. If you found these tips helpful and are excited to explore Cancun, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels and may your adventures be filled with unforgettable moments.